Hello everyone, we are from True Maths and in this video we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 12.1 and there are two parts of this question. Now you have to simplify this expression. Now to simplify these kind of expression, what you need to do is first of all convert all numbers into same base. Means this is 25, this is 5, this is 10 and this 25 can be written as 5 raised to power something, means the base is same. Similarly 10 can also be written as 5 multiplied by 2. So there are many 5s in this expressions. So you have to convert all those numbers into same bases. Let's do this question. 25 can be written as 5 raised to power 2 because 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and 5 multiplied by 5 can be written as 5 raised to power 2 and this is t raised to power minus 4 whole upon this is 5 raised to power 3 multiplied by this can be written as 5 multiplied by 2 is multiplied by t raised to power minus 8. This we can do. Now we have certain exponent formulas which says if the base is same and if those base are multiplying, in that case the power gets added. So this 5 raised to power 2 can be written as it is, and there is another law which says if the base is same and if they are getting divided, then this power when shifted to the numerator it's get subtracted. Means t raised to power minus 4, when this value shifted to the numerator it will get subtracted. So this minus 8 will get subtracted from this minus 4. This is because if I am saying a raised to power x and a raised to power y, in this case I can write this as a raised to power x minus y. This is same. Here the a base are same. I can say that tt is same and their power will get subtracted. Similarly, when these two are same, this is because if I am saying a raised to power x and same a raised to power y, means if the base is same, the power will get added. So this 5 raised to power minus 3 and this is 5 raised to power 1, so it will get added and there is multiplied by 2. Now further solving this 5 raised to power 2 will remain as it is and multiplied by this t will become minus 4 and minus when multiplied will give plus 8 and whole upon this will give 5 raised to power minus 2 and multiplied by 2. This is because plus minus is minus, so and 3 minus 1 is 2 and sign will be of negative because this is greater value. Further solving this 5 raised to power 2 will remain as it is and multiplied by t raised to power plus minus is minus and 8 minus 4 is 4 and the sign will be of positive because greater value has positive sign. And this is 5 raised to power minus 2 is multiplied by 2. Now again in this case the base is same and if I have to shift this power to the numerator I have to subtract. So 5 raised to power 2 will be minus 2, means this power will be subtracted from this power and this is multiplied by t raised to power 4 and whole upon 2. Further solving this minus will get plus and 2, this will be of positive 2 and positive 2 plus 2 will get 5 raised to power 4 multiplied by t raised to power 4 upon 2. Now this will be the answer because this expression cannot be solved further. What you can do is you can write this as a complete number. 5 raised to power 4 means 5 multiplied 4 times. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is multiplied by 5. So this is 25 and this is 25, and 25 multiplied by 25 is 625 t raised to power 4 upon 2. So this will be the answer for this first part. Similarly, you need to solve the second part. Again, you have to convert all these numbers into same base. So this 3 raised to power minus can be written as it is. I can write 10 as 5 multiplied by 2 and this raised to power minus 5. And this is can be written as 5 raised to power 3. Now this is whole upon this 5 raised to power minus 7 will remain as it is, and 6 can be written as 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 5, because 6 can be written as 3 multiplied by 2 and this power will remain as it is. Now I can open the bracket, this will remain as it is. This is again a law in exponent, that if this is ab raised to power 2, this power means this is with both the variable, or you can say with both the numbers. Similarly, if this is 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 5, this means this is with 5 as well as with 2, and this is 5 raised to power 3 whole upon 5 raised to power minus 7. Again this can be written. Further solving, this and this is same, so this can be cancelled, or you can say when the base is same, so if power gets subtracted and minus 5, this will cancelled out and this will become 3 raised to power 0, which is equals to 1, or we can directly cancel this out. Further, this can be solved, so this is 5 and the power will get added, because if this is a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y, so it should be a raised to power x plus y. Similarly, if the here also is base is same, the power will get added, and this is 2 raised to power minus 5 will remain as it is, and in the denominator 5 raised to power minus 7 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 5 again will remain same. This value can also be cancelled out. These values are same. Now this will be 5 raised to power minus 2, because plus minus is minus, so 5 minus 3 is 2, but the sign will be of negative because greater value has negative sign, and this is 5 raised to power minus 7. Now again base is same. Now if I have to shift this value to the numerator, I have to subtract this. So 5 raised to power minus 2, this will be minus with minus 7. So this is 5 raised to power minus 2. First of all, I have to open the bracket. For that, minus minus will be plus. So this will be 5 raised to power 5. So this is how you can solve this part also. 5 raised to power 5 means 5 is multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 times. So either you can multiply this and you will get your answer. So this is how you can solve these two parts. I hope you have understood how to solve this. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact to us. The phone number, the email address and the WhatsApp number is given below in the description. Thank you.